Okay, I got fixed. And yeah. Yeah, I got all the tape off. Let me just real quick get it out of the real box. Oh, why is it open like that? There's all the papers from here. The Midland WR-300. You don't like. I can catch the required weekly test tomorrow on this because I'm recording this on Tuesday. And look, finally got it after 4 days of delayed waiting. Here it is. Oh. Pushing. Have it. Press all buttons, we should get all good service. Go. I have this right there. New. I think it's been maybe used a tiny bit, but not that much. Everything. Version 5. Set this up. Menu. Or voice, yes. Set up alarm, set up time. Oh, yes. We don't want an alarm. Set up time. Okay. Yes, I do want to set up. Darn, okay. It is 6:05. Now set up date. This is 23rd of January. And we're going down. Oh, 23. Yes, it was in January. Okay. I'm gonna want this 2024. Yes, okay, select, done. Siren level. Yes, I want it on high. Siren test. How the heck do you... Oh, I'm so... Yes, I do want the siren test. How do you... Oh, whatever. I'll do that later. Menu. Siren level high. Siren test. Yeah, it just won't let me. Weird. Default siren. Administrative. Or whatever. Weather channel. Okay. I am currently on channel 7. Channel 7. Yeah, we got everything. Let's listen to this. Weather. Wait. Is that? Oh, this is why it wasn't working. Oh, now let's do the siren test. That's what I was doing. Siren test. Really loud. Sounds like the WR-100. Wait. Let me just test this one real quick. No, not that. It's more like WR-100. beautiful. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the AM FM. Let's real quick put this antenna up. I want this on radio. Snooze. We're on. I want this always on.
Midland, Oregon, 1014. Freezing levels from early this evening.
Perfect. I love this already. Stuff all cords back here, so I don't have to see them. All the rules and stuff down. How does it look? I think it looks pretty good. All my stuff here.
PM Pacific Standard Time, Tuesday, the stage was 16.7 feet. Flood stage is 16.5.
Yeah, I know, flood. How cool. I love this, though. This is definitely my favorite currently, this WR-100. I'm going to be able to catch the required weekly test tomorrow.
The flood stage Thursday afternoon.
Let's switch this back to FM. Yeah, I love this so far. And yeah, we got the official everything. Got the everything. Thanks, eBay. See you in the next video.